guys, welcome to the Beaver Broadcast November overview. We have a lot of stuff going on this month. If you didn't know, I'm Brooke, and these are my friends Olivia and Mallory. Let's jump right into it.
The Crucible has its shows Thursday through Saturday at 7 p.m. every day with a 2 p.m. matinee on Saturday.
November 11th, there's no school!
November 12th to 15th is Respect Week, and here's BHS's very own ASB Diversity Rep, Sienna Abraham, to talk a little bit more about that.
Hey Beavs, it's your queen, Sienna Abraham. What I have to tell you is that Respect Week is coming up real soon. We'll be celebrating next week, November 12th through 15th, and we will be holding small spirit days throughout the week to show that everyone's unique and different in their own way, and we need to respect that. The reason we have Respect Week is to recognize the sincerity and positivity in our student body. It shows that we care about one another and brings out the type of person we are. Thanks for listening, and I hope you all participate in Respect Week. Back to you, girls.
Thanks, Sienna. Guys, make sure to put some effort in this Respect Week. I know it can be really good.
Band has a concert November 14th from 7 to 8:30 in the auditorium. They'd love to see people there.
November 16th is the Beaver Holiday Bazaar from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Go to the bazaar to help support BHS clubs and sports, as well as to go help support local vendors from the community.
November 19th is Scholarship Night in the auditorium at 6 p.m. Make sure to go to hear about how to receive and apply for scholarships effectively.
The first ever public forum will be on November 25th during both halves of Beaver Lodge. If you'd like to speak or if you'd like to attend, please fill out the link here, bit.ly/BHS Public Forum. The public forum is a place for you to go give your voice and your opinion on issues at BHS. We hope to see you there.
Hi, my name is Sophie, and I am your ASB Director of Community Relations, and that basically means I run the Shadows program. So if you're interested in having a shadow, please fill out the form bit.ly/Beaverton, capital S, Shadows. Thank you.
If you know someone that you think should be celebrated, please submit a response to this link, bit.ly/BHS Assembly Spotlight.
BHS has a really cool opportunity coming up this November. It's called Adopt a Family, and it's for the week from the 25th to the 30th. It's a really great way to contribute to the community, and here's Ava and Val to talk a little bit more about it.
Hi, my name is Ava.
Hi, I'm Valerie.
And we're here to talk to you about Adopt a Family. Adopt a Family is an opportunity that we have coming up in November. We will help as many families as we can that are in need of support. Our job is to make their holiday season a little more jolly, and you can help us out by adopting a family.
There will be snowflakes that you can take down outside the main gym. These snowflakes will have the child's needs and wants and their gender on them. These are just individual gifts that you can get to the best of your ability. If you want to help on a bigger scale, you can email this email, and we will correspond with you about adopting more families. Thank you.
Thank you.
Adopt a family.
Then, continuing the theme of No School November, there will be no school Wednesday the 27th through Friday the 29th in celebration of Thanksgiving.
As of right now, Beaverton is not hosting any playoff games. However, some of our exceptional sports teams have made it to playoffs. So if you're interested in going to any of their games, make sure to keep an eye on the OSAA website. Link in description.
That's all we have this month, Beavers. Make sure to tune in next month and have a great November.